What's wrong with the pigeon?
Nothing's wrong with the pigeon. He's fashion forward. That backpack is super gorge.
Wait a minute. That backpack. Is he a homing pigeon?
That he is. He can carry messages between two places and always find his way back.
Kalia, this one can't find his way off a picnic table.
Which is not good. So you Rangers need to find out why and get him back on his way. Lavender! Micro power! Anna! Animal power! Baby! Vision power! Ready, Rangers?
Rangers ready! Floof, 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 floof!
Ride, Rangers, ride!
It's so late. I hope we can help the pigeon before dark.
Ask him what's wrong. Maybe he'll tell you something that'll help.
Yes, like where he got that Faboo backpack. Really? You just got dizzy? And you didn't know where you were? Aw, you must have been so scared. No, it's a bad idea. What if you're still dizzy? Wait! I don't speak bird, but that sounded like he should not be flying. He shouldn't, but he said he had a very special delivery to make,